Hey you guys, this is Sagie here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are actually going to be doing an unboxing. I received a package from Teddy Blake, New York. And you guys, if you don't know about them, you need to jump on it. They create the most gorgeous handbags. When you think of luxury bags, you think these bags are gonna cost like in the thousands. You guys did want to go on the website, check them out, purchase something, but let's just go right into this unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. Teddy Blake, New York. Ew. So this did come in a brown box. Obviously, I did already open that part for you guys. This is what the outside looks like. Open it. Discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Oh, right there. Can y'all see this? I would do the overhead, but this is not fitting. This box is too big to fit in the overhead. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I went on their website to see which one I physically wanted. Just to let you guys know, they did send this over to me and I did pick the one that I wanted. The one that I originally wanted was the Ava, I believe it was the 9-inch, but that is freaking sold out and I really want that bag and I'm gonna get that bag. So I did decide to go with another handbag, and you guys know my aesthetic is like pink and gold, and this is the perfect bag. So this is what that looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's just open the package up with the little dust bag. This is like, I swear it's like Christmas. Oh my God, look at it. Tell me this is not me. I really should have did my nails before I did this, right? We have the Teddy Blake New York logo, the gold buckles. This is nice. And then when I opened the box, you could just smell like the leather smell come from it. This is what the bag looks like. We have these little tags. Look, Teddy Blake New York. So this one is the Kim, let me look it up so I know the exact name of this bag. Okay, so this bag is the Kim Stampado. I hope I'm saying that right. The 11-inch in pink. I am like in awe right now. We have both of the little buckles that all you gotta do is just turn like so. Open these guys like so. Where's the little thing? And you pop that guy open. Yeah, I already know we're gonna do a nail design for these, so stick around. So we do have the gold strap if you want to wear it like a crossbody or even like a short little shoulder bag. It is adjustable depending on what length you want it to. And it's small. It's like compact, but it's large enough to fit what you need. Look at how large the inside is. Just compare the phone size inside. Look at that. It has the logo inside. Teddy Blake. It has one single pocket inside. The inner part feels like, I want to say suede. Is that suede? Oh, that feels really nice. It's a lot of room in here. Stop playing. So this is the 9-inch iPad that I have. And y'all, this fits perfectly inside. Look at that. So if I want to carry my iPad with me, I have enough room to carry like money, change, keys, any extra little stuff, lotion. I have so much room inside there. Look at that. That is so freaking awesome. Obviously, I had to wear a pink cute little shirt to match. And you can shrink it if you want, depending on how tight you want it. That is cool. So there is only the one pocket inside, but then there's nothing out here. This is so freaking cute. I am loving it. So the one thing about companies too that they like to do, they want you to pay for the name. And I feel when it comes to this type of bag, you could either dress it up or dress it down. It's a really cute, just like all around bag that you could wear anytime. And I want something that's gonna last. I wear my purses. I don't just get a purse and then just like have it hanging in my closet just to look pretty. No, I want to wear them. I want to be able to wear them, and I want to make sure that they're gonna last a long time. Like you can tell when something's gonna last and when something's gonna break down over time. Like I recently just bought an Amazon bag, and y'all, I feel like within a week it's gonna break, just down to like the hardware itself as well. It's just so worth it. These Teddy Blake bags are made from 100% genuine Italian leather. Some of the bags are even like this croc inspired. That's the one that I originally wanted. This one I believe is like the pebble finish, whereas the other ones is like a smoother finish. They paid attention to the details when they were making these, and these are all handmade, you guys. They're all handmade in Italy, Italian leather. If you read their story, they do state they wanted something that was going to be affordable to everybody, that had the luxury look, that feels and is the luxury look that you're looking for, that you could wear nighttime, daytime. The color selection that they have on it as well, this comes in so many different colors. This is obviously, I went with pink because that is like my color, but there's so many colors. They have like these bright green ones, they have oranges, browns, blacks, reds, like this burgundy color. Gorgeous. You need to go to the website and go check it out for yourself. It's just gorgeous. OMG, she is so cute. I love it. So I do want to say thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending this over to me. I truly appreciate it. And y'all, I am definitely gonna go back and get another purse because why not? You guys, so I actually put my bag over there, but I hope y'all didn't think I was going to do this video without doing a nail design for it. Like, hello, this is a nail channel. And of course, my nails are in desperate need of some glamming up. For this nail design, we just gonna do something real quick and just like to the point. I always say that and it never comes out to the point, and just like, you already know. We're gonna try to do something cute. I'm gonna go in really quick with the extra long stiletto nail tips. I keep trying to say non-seeker. These are the stiletto nail tips. I've already pre-measured my sizes. I'm gonna just glue them on really fast with my roller base coat. I am so excited to wear this freaking handbag. You guys have no idea. And I like the fact, like I said, I like the fact, I feel like I keep talking about it. I like the fact that I can dress it down, dress it up. It's very versatile, which I like. Oh man, I haven't done stiletto in so long. I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that for a few seconds. I'm gonna glue them all on, and then I am gonna cure it for a full 60 in my full size lamp. I do have a peel off base coat on as well. That's why you guys didn't see any kind of prep. Like I said, I just wanted to add some nails so I could show that bag off with it. I'm so extra. It took everything for me not to try to open that box and record myself. Y'all, I was so excited when I received that box. Okay, really quick, I'm gonna cure that for a full 60 seconds. I've been dying to like cut my hair. I don't know. I have like an itch to like cut it. Should I? I don't know. I'm actually gonna skip filing today and just go straight in with the rubber base and just apply that on the entire surface. But you guys already know you would go ahead and just file and shape and blend that tip in. I'm just being extra lazy, and like I said, I really just want to get some nails on my nails to show with the bag. Okay, again, cure for a full 60 seconds. She's so pretty. Look at her sitting back there looking all cute. So I'm going to use the color Dusty Rose Hard Gel. This is the one that has like the shimmer inside. I think it's so freaking cute. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna go in with my oval brush number 6, and we're just gonna build these bad boys out structure-wise. Add a thin layer first. My brush is kind of hard. If your brush ever gets hard, just go in really fast and just kind of rub that, work the gel into the brush, and it'll loosen up and soften. So thin layer, a large amount, and then I'm just gonna float that right on top. This is what that nail looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure it. I feel like I can't talk. So again, I'm just gonna do the same thing across all of the nails, and then we will be back. Well, I will be back, not you. I will be back. Checking on her, making sure she's okay. Y'all already know I'm gonna go in with some chain. Yep, got her. Some gold chain. We're gonna clean, nail cleanser, remove that sticky layer from the nails. 80/80 grit nail file. File the sidewalls. Make them extra pointy because me love a stiletto. Going in with my fine tapered drill bit, I am at 20,000 RPM. We're gonna file these bad boys into shape around the cuticle. This doesn't need too much filing because I did the, I laid the gel pretty good. Just a little. I'm actually at 20,000 RPM. We buff them smooth. Y'all, stiletto is just my style of nail. This is me, like pink stiletto. We're gonna add some gold. All right, so real quick, I got some of this nail polish. This is cat eye polish. Just gonna put some here. And we're just gonna do Frenchies. For the ring nail, I'm going to do a full covered nail because we're gonna add bling to that one. I'm gonna start off with the pointer. And this polish I ended up getting from Temu. But I'm just gonna go in and then do a Frenchie like this. Go across, curve it from the side. And then we're just gonna fill that bottom in. I'm gonna take my little magnetic wand, kind of just highlight the sides, and this is just going to activate that that cat eye. Look at that, shiny, bling blingy. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna cure that. So again, same thing for all of them except for that ring nail. And this is the striper brush, if you guys was wondering. That shine is gorgeous. Next, I'm gonna take my gold accessories case, my light rose bling it box. Look how gorgeous these look. And maybe my champagne crystals, maybe bling it box. And we're just going to bling out these nails and just do something really pretty, really luxury. Yeah, that's my main thing. I want them to look luxury. And of course, you guys already know I'm gonna glue them down with my Bling It rhinestone gel. can't tell me nothing. Dang, look at how good these look. Oh, they are so pretty. Oh, they're so freaking cute. So obviously I did the bling with the chain around it because, you know, we needed some chain. And then I did go in and just add a little bit of the smaller stones on each nail just because. Ew, this is what they are looking like. This is in compliments because of the bag. Oh, I feel so bougie. Ew. I love it. Oh, they look so freaking pretty. Of course, I'm gonna get you closer shots. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I just want to pose and just stay like this. But yeah, this is the final look with my bag. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, you guys already know I'm gonna link this company in the description box. You guys, let me know what you guys think of this nail design, you guys, and this handbag. And if you end up purchasing one of these, let me know. Maybe we could be twinsies. Let me know what color you got as well. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.